Hi, my name is Kent Korgaard, and today we'll be tying this KK fly. Let's begin. I'll be tying on the TP 605, size 2. And we'll start off attaching the thread on here and put on a bead chain. Just attach it, turn it underneath, and up here you have to be sure that you have some room left from the bead chain up to the eye, about 3 millimeters, because you need the space to make the head. There, and put on some glue. And a couple extra wraps while it's wet. Yeah, it's straight. And then all the way down, just above the barb, where we'll tie in the tail. We'll have 2 feathers. Make sure to align them with the tips. Yeah. And it needs to be about the same length as the hook. Something like that. And place them just on top, pinch wrap and down, and make a couple turns just to secure it, like that. Sometimes you want to just lift it a bit, just underneath, a couple times. Like that. Make sure it's straight, yeah. Just like that. And then we'll need a hackle for the body. And you tie this in at the point of the feather. Just put it in under and it won't turn on you. Like that. And remove the rest. Now it's time for the body. I have some STF in the color sand. And be sure you don't put on too much so it's too hard to control. And when you're turning the dubbing disc, try to make it a tapered body. I'll just have to go back again and forward. But you need a bit more. Just like that. Make sure you have the same amount from the dubbing to the eyes as you have from the eyes to the hook, because you need the space for the head there as well. Now I need to turn the hackle, and if it's twisted and turning, it's not a big deal, because you'll brush it anyway, and then the fibers from the hackle would get in the right direction anyway. And just finish up with a full round. There. Like this. And then we'll just a small brush all the way around. Like that. And then you'll need to make a dubbing loop. Just to secure it in the top. And move the thread all up to the eye. That'll be there. And then this is STF again. This is 1 part black and 3 parts sand mixed together. It's easy. You need to just align all the fibers. And I think it's easy just to roll it between your fingers. And then until you think this is okay. And you don't need the complete length of this dubbing, so I cut it in half. And just line like this. Just a bit more. Like that. When you put it in the dubbing loop, there's one crucial thing on this. When we are trying to distribute this, you need to do it as good as possible, because the space between the bead chain eyes aren't that big, so the middle here with the thread in needs to be brushed out when you're turning, just as much as possible. And one thing, if you can see, it's easier just to lean the dubbing on your little finger, then you have both hands to be free, just to do what you want. Like that, and then you twist it. One more. Like that. and then you need just to brush it out. And this is where we need the center just to be brushed out and be as small and thin as possible. You see, I think that will be okay. So a couple of turns here in front, and then you'll start to cross over and do a full circle and underneath, and then cross over again, and under. And when you're doing this, the only time that you can cross over the hook shank is in front of the eyes by doing this, never behind the eyes, because then you'll trap a whole lot of fibers. So always do the crossing in front. And then a couple of turns. And then attach the thread. Like that. Make a couple of final turns just to make sure that it's all there. And finish off. Then it's time to brush. And all of this you need to just get it out if it's trapped somewhere in between all of this. And just give it a good brush. And when you've done that, it's time to brush brush it up so you get it all on top and on the bottom. And you can sort of help it by just pulling when you think it's okay. And it's time to trim. And you just hold your hands on the fly so you don't just pull it all off, and just tear it off. And I'm trying to find the length that equals the same as the hook cape here. Or just about. If it's a bit longer, it doesn't matter. I think that's about it. And there it is.